Alright, so this is probably the hardest trail I've ever taken the Honda Pilot on. It's got a lot of rocks. I'm doing it now, this time with the lift kit. Tire pressure is set to 18 psi. I'm going to take you along on this trail and see how it does. I'm excited to put it to the test. Here we go. So we're getting through this trail pretty good. I'm super happy that we installed the 1.5-inch lift kit because I have not scraped the skid plates on this trail, and this is the most rocky trail that I've been on with this car, and it is just handling awesome. I have it on trail mode and I'm just taking it easy. I do have the tires pressure set to 18 psi, and I got my 3 wonderful spotters out there. So yeah, I'm excited. Well, yesterday we drove 12 hours from Texas and we made it all the way out here to the spot that I had pre-planned on a couple maps that I use, a couple of applications that I use on the phone. And we made it out here to the trails, put the car to the test again. We made it over some rocky terrain, which I was really excited about, and see that the Honda performed really well. And then we found this camp spot right next to the river, which we love being next to the river. We love sleeping at night, hearing to the waters and all that. So really happy about this spot. So once we got here around noon, we decided to set up camp, deploy new ways of sleeping in with the rooftop tent and the TREKWAY SUV tent. We set that up, and what we did this time was we put our kids up in the rooftop tent. All three of them slept on the roof. They said they were comfortable, they were warm last night. And as for my wife and I, we slept on the ground inside the SUV tent. We had some air mattresses that we had from before. Pretty comfortable actually. We had our sleeping bags, the air mattress. When it got a little bit cold, we set up the heater that we had. Also, last night before we all went to bed, we decided to watch a movie, and we were all laying on the ground watching the screen from that was set up inside the vehicle. So that actually was pretty cool. It was so spacious, and it was kind of a new experience for us, and we really enjoyed it. So I know some of you have asked me about how the car is holding up. You know, you've seen some of the off-roading videos that I've had, and honestly, we're really happy about it. The vehicle has been very useful for us as a family of 5. As much stuff as I tried to stuff in the SUV, we're still able to sit all 3 of our girls comfortably. And sometimes I've had to add the rack on the hitch that's in the back. The only inconvenience to that is when you're off-roading, sometimes the back side of the vehicle will get hit because of that little basket in the back. And other than that, the vehicle's been handling just fine with the all-wheel drive system. Sometimes I haven't even had to put it on trail sport mode. It does just fine on normal mode. Yesterday when we got here, we did put it on trail sport mode, and we deflated the tires down to 18 psi so that we can just have a softer ride over those rocks. But all in all, we're super happy about it. Honda, I think, has made a pretty good impact on the off-roading side of vehicles with the trail sport. So we're gonna start cleaning up this morning, and we're gonna continue to head east. We're going into Virginia, and we'll be hitting some a camping spot out there in the mountains in Virginia. Never had done that before, so we're looking forward to that one as well. And I'll see y'all soon.